Make a great choice today with the 2012 Chevy Malibu, a combination of performance and fuel economy. The Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, wheel covers, power driver mirrors, remote trunk release, steel wheels, front wheel drive, auto off headlights, steering wheel controls. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.